Sakanin sak suara penang ya dalni getal bijuna niki mem misal anga menisal video upload kagapau yang one nation one election kepening men anga video upload kagapau national na talapuna kapau panga mandirang negative comment ka panga mandirang off comment ka dike comment katoknya muni men anga dalpe video ko tharak ya niki menan asimang jugmek video ko bisone parliament of first ka ani ko aro photo anirang ko aro badita opposition nang mana sim badita warang ko namlik ke acak pa acim warang nasim nakata mangen aru ura iara chusok nakata man jaha phelo ngani man nakata mana mana botrang chungja aru namlik pa ya ko bil ko namlik parang chungja mana opposition ni dal parang banga mandirangan iko opposition ni mandirangan ya ko namlik jegal parang banga uni gemen ya ko bil ko da witru kanatan nang plahan nakata mana ni bil ko pas ka jaha asim so parang de onggijarang ma sikija comment kanya uni gemen asim salda pe ang tinga Irma simang uamang mai dake pas ka acem aru bilang ko badia namnu cacem aru baita botang ko mana acem warang ko na sim ata mungkin totol ya clip na sim kang bo ni rang bo na sim khale ma signo ko ni men e video ko na sim dalde rabat thenga ni kum na sim iko totol chudmu ko ana dang ma sirana kata ni rang ta mungkin totol bisungni kham khani rang ko ya bil ko pas khani ko mairang bor na rang ko ram ki jania ko jegalan ko chudmu ko nekeni rang nakta mungkin totol na simang clips ko ni ang masirang pabonim video ko na simang naraba kan dikit sakan jigo nisoy ko machela lekin ba joljol simang bone ni rang pabon es na simang na video ko raba
I beg to move for leave to introduce the Constitution 129th Amendment Bill 2024 further to amend the Constitution of India.
जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हाँ गए, जो सदस्य विरोध में ला गए, मेरे विचार में निर्णय ना वालों के पक्ष में हुआ। अब मतदान नाउ डीजल
Judicial review, federal character of the Constitution, separation of power between legislature, executive and judiciary, secular character of the Constitution, supremacy of the Constitution. ये इस बिल में कहीं भी आघात नहीं हो रहा, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा इसमें, जो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर में कहीं भी कोई छेड़छाड़ नहीं की जा रही।
One of the essential features is federalism and the structure of our democracy. And therefore, the bills which have been moved by the Honorable Minister of Law and Justice absolutely assault the basic structure of the Constitution and are beyond the legislative competence of this House, and therefore they need to be opposed ab initio, and the introduction of those bills have to be stopped.
By this process, the autonomy of the state legislative assembly is being taken away. That is antivirus. That is the basic structure of the Constitution. By law, providing state funding for conducting the election is not brought. It is just a fulfillment of one gentleman's desire and dream. Nothing more than that.
Parliament is not competent to make any law that violates fundamental rights on the basis of the Constitution, sir. This bill indirectly introduced a presidential style of democracy. This bill is based on maximizing political gain and convenience. This bill will finish off regional parties. This bill is only brought in to massage the ego of the supreme leader.
ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग तानाशाही लाने के नित नए रास्ते लाते हैं। जो 8 विधानसभाओं का चुनाव एक साथ नहीं करा पाए, 4 राज्य नहीं करा पाए, वो पूरे देश की लोकसभा और सारे प्रांतों की विधानसभाएं एक साथ कराने की बात करते हैं। मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ सरकार से, अगर एक प्रांत के अंदर सरकार गिरती है तो क्या पूरे देश की लोकसभा के चुनाव कराओगे? क्या अगर लोकसभा के चुनाव के चक्कर में उस प्रांत के लोग क्यों सफर करेंगे? अरे चर्चा कर लेना, अरे कुछ नहीं बचा है।
Constitution Amendment Bill drastically changing the electoral process of our country. That used to be introduced separately. That used to be introduction has to be discussed. Then take the other bill. Otherwise, it will be not fair as far as Constitution Amendment is concerned.
मैं शिवसेना और हमारे नेता एकनाथ शिंदे जी की तरफ से इस बिल का पूरी तरीके से समर्थन करता हूं। और आज स्पीकर सर,
हाँ,
I rise today on behalf of the Telugu Desam Party to express our unwavering support for the NDA's One Nation and One Election bill.
Dissolving of assemblies was something which both sides have objected and both sides are done it. So if we object to this, why are we giving this authority to the Election Commission to dissolve assemblies who are elected for 5 years? So I think to break away of these tenures is completely objectionable, and India is a union of states. Central government cannot. Cooperative federalism is something which we are so proud of. So I request the Honorable the Government of India either to withdraw the bill or send it to a joint parliamentary committee so we have a detailed discussion, and we'll be happy to support as long as it comes to a joint parliamentary committee.
जब ये संविधान सुधार का विधेयक, संवैधानिक संशोधन जब कैबिनेट में चर्चा में आया, तब प्रधानमंत्री जी ने स्वयं मंशा व्यक्त करी थी कि इसको जेपीसी को देना चाहिए। इस पर